Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still personally think this is a 1, a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3 right now. If this really is a wave 3, most wave 3s do go to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, which is all the way up to about the 2550 area. So we potentially have a lots and lots of upside potential. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is a 1, I still think this is a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. If that's true, then that means this is a subdivision, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and this is now a wave 3 of 3. And if this is a wave 3 of wave 3, wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves in a trend, so a wave 3 of 3 should be even more strong. So definitely looking primarily for longs. Going down to the daily, on the daily it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would think that it would take out the low wave 4, which it definitely does look like it should. But like I said, if this is a wave 3 of 3, this could possibly make another higher low, and it could just possibly just keep on trending up. So be aware that the trend is up, and it may at any time just keep on trending. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, because of the 5-way pattern, I do think it needs to take out the low of wave 4. Unless this breaks structure to the upside, I would continue to look for shorts. If it does break structure to the upside right here, then I would start looking for longs. But until that happens, I would probably be looking for shorts, because I think that it at least needs to break the low of wave 4 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Probably make some sort of a proper ABC correction before it does end up continuing back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now it kind of looks like we may have already had a 3-way pattern, but then it looks like 3 waves down. So maybe this is forming some sort of a flat, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So this could be a 333 pattern, which would be a WXY. So 3 waves up, 3 waves down. 3 waves up would be WXY, and then it would continue to downtrend. Or maybe it's a 335 pattern, and if that's the case, then it would make 5 waves up and then continue to downtrend. So I don't know whether it's a WXY or whether it's a flat. I think at this point it probably is going to drift up, probably is going to take out these highs, maybe rough a little bit. I think there's a good chance that it's going to reject this high, which was a major structure level on the 4 hour time frame, and this is probably going to be either a WXY or an ABC, and then it's going to continue back down to take out the low of wave 4. So depending on what time frame you're trading on, if you are a scalper, you could potentially be looking for longs. If you are a day trader or a swing trader, then you're probably patiently waiting for the end of a correction to go short for the continuation of this down move. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.